What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Ghost Fighter, 2T's, and y'all know I'm back with another informative video. And today, I gotta make sure I'm looking the right place because I'm getting rusty at doing recordings. I'll be forgetting where I'm looking at, but I see myself. I see where I need to look at. We're gonna be doing an unboxing of an exclusive item. Yes, an exclusive item for the PS5 Pro or PS5. Your choice. Make your choice. Let me take a drink of water. Let me. I ain't promoted by them, but you know, that's that Chick-fil-A cup ice. But all right, so I'll tell you the backstory before I give you this exclusive look at it and we unbox it. I was in Target doing things, and when I was in there, I figured I would check out the electronic area, and when I did, I saw these controllers, and I just decided to get one because I like the color of it. So when I got it, I took it up to the cash register to pay for it and everything. When they took the thing off of it that locks it or keeps it from getting stolen, they took it off, and the lady was like, your total due is $58. I'm like, huh? It's like an $80 controller, $81, $82, $83, $84. Y'all know. I was like, it's coming up the wrong price, and I didn't want to get over on them. But it's like, oh no, it's on sale. So this is probably the Black Friday sale for $58 at Target. So if you guys are needing a new controller, go to the Target in your nearest area. Unless you guys know a better place to get them even cheaper and you can wait. But me, I needed to get what I needed to get, so whatever. But this is just for information because I know people are going to ask me in the comment section, where'd you get it from? How much was it? And when did you get it? So I just basically, of making this video, I just got it this date that you'll see it uploaded. And y'all ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Yes, sir. Like an ASMR. So the actual name of this controller is called Midnight Black is the name of this controller, man. This thing is amazing. I love the way that it looks. So it has a haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, built-in microphone, and signature comfort. And what I would say to you guys before we do this unboxing, this is what I'll say to you guys. This controller, y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all favorite PlayStation series controller is. My favorite controller is this one right here. I'm going to just be honest. Even though my hands might have been smaller when I was younger, I digress. This is my favorite PlayStation controller right here. I even have a thing on my wall that shows like from the PS1 all the way to now. And this is still by far my favorite controller. I love the way that it has that. It's almost like PlayStation. I wanted PlayStation to make their controllers stick like the Xbox, but with the controls where they are on the PlayStation with the analogs. And they never would make one, so I always had to get one aftermarket that would be, a thicker one. That's for the PlayStation, because they would never make a one. I just had to get one aftermarket. So y'all let me know if y'all feel that same way. We're going to get right into the boxing. Let me grab a knife. You guys don't try this at home. This is for the purpose of the video. So let's get right into it. Bam. Now, what I would say about the box presentation, they probably could make this material a little bit like not so cheapy feel. But then, come on, PlayStation. Y'all put this flimsy piece of cardboard paper there. Y'all trying to say, boy, y'all charging the consumer a lot of money, but y'all be look at this, y'all. Look at this. A flimsy piece of cardboard, bro. Like y'all, whoever thought of that, they out of pocket for that. So you just take your finger in there and pull. Bam. Bam. So then, that's only for the purpose of pulling. Don't mess this box up like I did. You don't, it's only for the purpose of pulling it out of the box. But once you pull out of the box, it has a front on it, and you open it like voila. And you get owner's manual. That's it. Nothing else is in there. And then the PlayStation controller. So let's see. Bam. Oh, in person, it looks a lot better than the picture even shows justice. Look at that. And I like how the buttons, they're see-through buttons. They're glass buttons, see-through plastic type buttons, but they're blacked out. It's got a blacked out background. But they're the same buttons that are on the PlayStation 1 that comes with it. It's like a plastic glass see-through. Yup. That's her, man. That's cold. Ooh. Yes, sir. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't think there's any need to make it any longer than it already is. I just want to explain to you, this is my favorite PlayStation controller. And I'm loving my PS5, man. If there's something that I could tell you guys that's going to help you, I would definitely say, yeah, I would definitely say that you guys should get you a PS5 Pro. I'm enjoying mine. It's been an awesome experience so far. I'm uploading as many videos. And what my buddy explained to me is, you guys got to understand, how I'm seeing it on the TV, it's not even how you guys are getting it in the video, because the video getting compressed for YouTube won't never show a justice of what I'm actually seeing on my 4K TV. It is beautiful. I'm enjoying every game that I'm playing. It's like a whole different experience, like an upgraded experience. It being a pro really shows that they can push the levels of ray tracing and the VRR and the PSSR. They're doing a great job of it. And I think it's only going to get better when they come out with games that are updated, and games, not only the games that we're playing, but what about the new games to come? We're not getting probably a PlayStation 6 until probably 2028, 29. Let's just be honest, guys. I know the life cycle says that we'll have it within 5 to 6 years, but it's already been going on 5 years that the PS5 has been out with that technology. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this video was very informative for you guys. You guys go get that Black Midnight controller. You can get it at Target. And I'm just telling you where I got it from, how much I paid, $58 out the door with taxes and everything. Holiday sale. That's pretty awesome. There was no point in me waiting to get it. I just went ahead and got it because I just saw it. I think I might have got one of the last ones in this one at that particular store I went to where I live at. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys. Make sure y'all please be sure to hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. It's not going to hurt you to give your boy a sub. This goes out to Tease, and I'm out.